Time to take your practice digital. Introducing Arize, a fast, accurate, and easy-to-use custom orthotic solution developed to fit within your workflow. Arize helps increase your clinic's productivity and efficiency, as multiple users can work at the same time. Patient account setup, foot scanning, and prescriptions can be done all at once or at separate times. Getting started with Arize is easy. You can quickly scan your patient's feet with precision in as little as 2 minutes. You can review your patient's scans, identify anatomical markers, and choose from a variety of familiar orthotic styles. With Saved RX, apply your custom prescription with one click. Quickly apply industry-standard modifications to design and preview in real time. And Arize will manufacture your design and prescription, including any special requests or modifications. Your designs brought to life exactly as you intended, with digital manufacturing. The Arize orthotic solution gives you the tools to provide innovative custom design for improved function, fit, and comfort. You can use the Notes feature when you need to make a special design or modification request. It's that easy. With Arize, you have 3D visualization tools to help illustrate the benefits of custom orthosis and encourage your patient's buy-in. From scanning to placing an order, you can prescribe custom orthoses in as little as 5 minutes. If you're not ready to place the order, you can save and submit it later. Get exactly what you expect with the precision, consistency, and control you need. Enabled by HP 3D printing technology using robust materials for lighter and more durable orthosis. You can reorder your patient's orthoses with confidence, knowing that you will receive the same repeatable design. If you ever need help, we've got a team of technical support assistants and clinicians standing by. With Arize, you get a custom orthotic solution that simplifies your workflow every step of the way, so you can consistently deliver innovative 3D printed orthoses to your patients. The future of orthotics has arrived. Request a demo to learn more about the Arize orthotic solution today.